Okay, what do you got there?
An Samsung S9 Plus. Okay. So you get this.
Nice box, eh?
Yeah, very. Okay, we'll check it that now. Here's the phone.
Okay.
Here's that. Here's a charger thing. Wait.
Okay, come, go.
Okay, whatever that is on. And then you get PowerPoint. You get the wires and headphone. And then
What's in here?
we'll check now. Get the pen thing. You get a case with it.
Oh,
And then you get a manual.
okay.
And then that's it.
Okay, let's see what we do.